This is 9.2, the Pythagorean Theorem. So, a theorem is a mathematical rule that is always true. No matter what numbers you use for the given situation, a theorem is always true. It's like a mathematical law. So we have sides of a triangle, of a right triangle specifically, and we have leg A and leg B. Leg A and leg B form to make a right angle. We show that it's a right angle with this little box so that we know that it is 90 degrees. So A and B make the right angle, and those are the sides of a triangle. Then we have the hypotenuse, which is C, which is going to be this longest side, and the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. So we have sides A, B, and C to make a right triangle. Then we have the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and we use this to find the length of the side, or any side of a right triangle, where A and B are the legs and the hypotenuse is C. Then we're going to find the length of a hypotenuse. So here I have my triangle, and I'm going to use 4 for A, 3 for B. So in a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I plug in what I know. 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25. Now 25 equals c squared. So to get just c, I have to take the square root of each side. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So 5 equals c. It's important to note that squares and square roots undo each other. They cancel each other out. They are inverse operations. So here's another one where I have 9, 12, and c. So plug in the numbers you know. 9 squared is 81, 12 squared is 144. Add those together and you get 225. Square root of 225 is 15, so c is 15. Here's another triangle. Now this time I don't have whole numbers, but Pythagorean theorem still works. So plug in 4 squared plus 9.6 squared, and you get 16 plus 92.16. Add those together to get 108, and then we square root each side. So the square root of 108.16 is 10.4. So c is 10.4 here. If you use a calculator, make sure you show all your steps. You can't just jump from this first line to the answer. Showing your steps is very important because it helps you be able to go back and check your work. If you get it wrong, then you know you can find where you made your mistake. So let's find the length of a leg, and we're going to round those to 2 decimal places. So this time I'm given A and C, but I need to find B. So again, plugging in what I know. 3.2 squared is 10.24. B squared stays B squared. And 6.4 squared is 40.96. I'm solving for B, so I need to move 10.24 to the other side. And then I get B squared is 30.72. So B is 5.54.